teacher here again. I just got the urge to teach you something else. Today's video is going to be on, I just want to show you how dirty a gun can get even if you don't shoot the dang thing. Just by not shooting it. Just by carrying it a lot, it gets very dirty. I have a Taurus G2C here that I carry with me at the home. I have other guns, but at home I carry this one. And I carry it in a side holster right here. And I'm going to show you how dirty it gets. I haven't shot this gun for a long time. And the last time I shot it, after I shot it, I cleaned it. But I want to show you how dirty it gets just when you wear it mowing the yard where you're kicking up a lot of dust and working on your car, whatever you're doing. And that's all I'm going to show in this video. And then in the next video, I'm going to show how to clean this gun, how to disassemble it and clean it. And I'm going to show that for all the guns I have, and I have about 8 different guns. So for right now, and before I get into that, here's a reminder, to fight crime, always be prepared. Body camera, spray, pepper spray, extra ammunition, and maybe a pouch to carry a second gun. Okay, just wanted to throw that in. Okay, now, here's what I want to show you. A gun can get so dirty not using it. Right here. Now another thing I always preach is always be ready for a criminal attack. So because this gun is what I normally carry around the home, and I'm at home right now, and since I'm taking it apart and showing you some things, it's disabled. So I have another gun, my Taurus Judge, just in case a criminal decides to break in at the moment I'm doing this video. Okay, back to the gun. I opened the slide and took the magazine out to show you some things, and I want to show you, first of all, there's some lint that dropped out of my gun right there. I'm filming with 2 cameras here, so I got to move things around so both cameras get it. There's some lint. Notice on the magazine, if I get the right lighting right here, all the dust that has settled here at the edge. And now that's not from mowing, but that's you know, from shooting. I should clean that out. Look at the dust and dirt there that the cartridges slide on. When you clean a gun, also make sure your magazine is clean. And here's another thing people fail to remember. Clean your ammo. Dust and grit can settle on your ammo also while it's sitting in the magazine. Clean your ammo. But most importantly, clean the gun. I want to show you some things here. I'm going to turn another light on here so I get better lighting. That's a little better. I showed you the dust that just fell out when I opened things up in the gun. Okay, look inside there. Look at all that dust that has settled there. You know, mowing my yard and whatever on the bottom of the slide. Maybe I can wipe a little bit off of my, yeah, see, I wiped a little bit off with my finger there. Another camera. Well, that slide has to be taken out and thoroughly cleaned. I don't know if I can get the lighting right to see down into the magazine chamber, but there, you can see towards the top here, there's dust down there. There's dust inside the chamber that I can't get enough lighting to show that. Eh, maybe I can. I'll try my flashlight here. Let's see what a flashlight does. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at all that dust in there. Boy, a flashlight does wonders with photography. Look at all that dust. This gun has not been shot since the last time I cleaned it. And so mowing the yard and doing other things, a lot of stuff can accumulate. And of course I'm going to clean this gun. And every gun that I clean, I'm going to do a video on how to dismantle it and clean it. And I can't really show you the, well, you can see a little bit inside the chamber there also. There's dust that has settled inside the chamber. Now, when you have dust like that, you're increasing the likelihood that your gun's going to jam when you need to use it. And that's the last thing you want. Imagine that. You dying because you failed to clean the damn gun. I've let this gun go too long. And so I'm going to get to cleaning it, and I'll do another video on the dismantle of it and showing how I am cleaning it, or how you do clean it. So I guess, oh, here's a little bit more. Look, notice around the trigger. Get the light. Yeah, see the up there on the top of the trigger, all that dust that's settled in there. See where the serial number is? There's dust that has settled in there. Other side of the trigger. Other side. Move around from my other camera here. Okay, so that's the only point I wanted to make in this video is clean that gun, even if you don't shoot it. Clean it every now and then. You don't want that gun failing when it's time for that gun to save your life. So folks, this is Norm the Teacher again. I'll salute you, and I'll see you in the next video when I start cleaning these guns and dismantling them.